Good afternoon, guys. Tae. Okay. See, I'm going to pick some green fruits. I don't know what is the name. I think it's nubj or I don't know what is it in English. But I love eating this one. So I will take something. Some. I will take some. See, even the bird is eating this. See, this. It's really good. Because I'm alone here in the house. All the people go. They all go. They're gone. So it's kinda boring, you know. Dito. Aakyat tayo dito. See? Aakyat ako dito. Ayun. I don't know where I'll get my phone. I'm scared. I'm already here, but still I cannot reach. It's a little bit far. Oh wait. Look at this. Oh my god. I need this this color yellow. Because it tastes good. If you take the color green, it's not tasty. It's not for eating it. So, you need to wait until it will be color yellow. Oh. Diba? So, diba? Ang layo ng kukunin ko. So, you have too much there. It's color yellow. This. But I cannot reach. Oh my god. I like the other one there. It's big. I like this big one. Oh my god. It's falling down. I want this bigger one. I want this big one. Yeah, I take it. It's big. And some of the fruits is falling down. I don't like this, guys. This is too much yellow. It's so much color yellow. I don't like because it's not tasty. It's tasty, but it's not sweet. So I like little bit yellow and little bit green. So the taste is more sweet. So I got here. I need more because I will eat this one until my we will go inside the tree. See, too much here, please. But I need to put my phone here. I'm even eating this one without washing. Baby, can't you see? I cannot stand because, this have spike here. I'll try. Aray! Ow. Have spike. I got too much. This one I keep on eating every morning, every afternoon, and at night. And then when I finish eat this one, I need to use, toilet. Aray. Aray, the spike is so paining. They keep on. Every morning, like when I wake up at 5 a.m. in the morning, I have so many bird here. Even some of the bird are sleeping here in this tree. But I like this tree because it's so small. And then if they if have like if have giving fruits, it's too much. See, like I want to eat directly. Mostly I'm eating this one without washing. Like when I take and then I eat. But I'm not showing you on the camera. It's only behind the scene. But it's true. I'm eating this without washing. I'm talking with myself, huh? Kalas, I think it's enough. It's enough for the one girl which is Dubba, which is me. I'm Dubba, guys. See, I cannot get out. Now let's going back to the house. Going back inside. I'm taking video here and then I have so many cameras here outside. Maybe when my employer will come back, they will kirkir on me. You're taking video outside. Not a lot. Because I'm going to map, then I'm going to iron the clothes, and then I will be free early. Bye bye guys. O diba, nag-bye-bye na ako tapos nandito pa. Hugasan muna natin. Tanong natin ang tubig. Baby, can't you see? Hey! The other one is jumping. The problem is, I cannot open my mouth big because this one is paining. And it's growing inside the eyelid. The it's like a lacto. You know the gums or the jaw inside? It's getting bigger. So this side is paining from here until here at up. This one no. See it, you can see the difference. Like it's a little bit big from here. And then I'm eating like a rabbit on this because I'm biting. Oh my god, have fly. Small. Even I'm eating rice. I cannot eat good because of this. This been on the it's been 3 days. See? Before, if it is not paining, I can eat this directly. But now I need to eat like just small bite. It's okay if I'm boring in eating this. Now I'm going to get back my work. So I will be free early. Because I want to talk something important.